kube unyaka wami wokugcina emculweni, so which means umuntu oney'ngoma zami nongenazo ubecanga ukuthi usazothola ezinye.
You guys, that video is trending currently on all social media platforms where Mampintsha basically said goodbye to his fans without really saying goodbye, as he is heard in that video saying that this year, 2022, was his last year in the music industry. Little did we know that it was truly his last year, as he sadly died after he was hospitalized due to a minor stroke, you guys. Fans are saddened by the passing of the hitmaker, and have said it was like he knew that he was bidding farewell to the living world. It is said that people who are about to depart on this earth usually know when their time is due, you guys. Lana Emhlabeni. Now the bigger question is, did he know that his time was up? Anyways, may his precious soul rest in peace. His memories will forever live through the music, the hit music that he gave us. You guys, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.